Look, we can slide this thing around.
Oh! Is that a monster?
Whatever it is, I'm glad it's frozen.
Oh! Hey! Check out the hooks above!
Hey! Incredible! These remains must be thousands of years old.
I'm seeing geek out about these things, but I just hope they hold up.
These were mighty creatures. We're like ants compared to them. Oh, look! A cabin! Let's see if they know the way to the top!
What's up? You just opened the door of opportunity.
Really?
Yes! When something dies, something new can be born.
Whoa, whoa, wait a minute. What, are we dying now?
Not you, but your relationship.
You mean relationship with a P?
No, relation shit, as in shit like caca. You need to rebuild your relationship into a relationship.
Okay, Mr. Crazy. Yeah, our relationship's already collapsed, remember?
When something collapses, something new can be built. And then the attraction can grow freely, you know?
Oh no.
Oh, yes! Let's break it, baby! Come on!
Watch out, May!
Cody, keep on skating!
I thought the book was speaking in metaphors! Oh, we gotta get out of here!
Keep moving!
Oh,
Oh,
so much for a pleasant trip! Ah!
faster, Cody, or it'll kill us!
Oh, don't slow down, May!
Woo!
Oh, no! Oh,
And I was just having fun! Oh!
I'm up here! Good work with your magnets! Can you fit it? Can you fit it?
Yes! I feel like crap.
No! Your attraction has grown stronger! Look! See? Now use your growing attraction to get to the top of the mountain! Vámonos! Wow! These babies are strong!
Indeed, the whole is greater than the parts. The magnet's attraction is getting stronger.
sure. Can I get a ride?
All right.
Force! It's hard to resist!
I can really feel the magnetic force to you.
Okay.
Your magnet is pulling on my magnets.
I bet my magnet can pull yours in too.
Of course. Huh?
You got this, right? Ooh, the view is better.
The book was right. Our magnets react to each other again. All right, Cody, we'll try it at the same time. Meet in the middle. Is it okay if I sit here for a bit?
Do you hear that, May?
A storm is coming.
Yeah. We should stay close to each other.
Yeah. Keep your magnet ready.
Easy now, Magnet. You'll get back to her soon.
There's the tower!
Ah, great. You just have to get up this hill. Easy.
Hey! Grab onto the side!
Cody! Grab onto me! Don't let go, Cody! You can do this, Cody! Push on! Incoming gas!
Hold on tight, May! Don't give up, May! I can't
can't do this without you!
The wind's picking up! Oh, the wind can't reach us here!
Come on, May! Through the tunnel!
Oh, oh, safe from the wind!
We can take shelter on the other side!
Oh, the tower! Just one last push!
Cody, it's gonna be tough. But can you cross over to the other side? Oh, it's too strong. Ah, fight it together.
Hey! You think you can make it alone to the other side?
The wind. Ah, no.
I'm losing grip! Help!
Oh, I'm getting
Swept away! Whew. One of us has to get to the other side!
We're gonna have to do it alone then.
I'm losing grip! Help!
Oh, I'm getting
Swept off!
Cody, there! Hurry up!
Oh, we made it!
Yes! That was good teamwork!
Yeah! Yeah, it's awesome. It's windy out there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, my ears just popped.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh, higher. Ooh.
May, look.
Wow.
Cody.
Yeah. We brought the sweetness back.
Now I know why that book sent us here.
Yeah. This is where I proposed. I was so nervous.
I know. And that's what made it special.
Really?
You know, how you forgot your whole speech.
It was the worst proposal in the history of proposals.
No, Cody. I didn't care about the words. It was the way you handled it, without trying to hide how scared you were. It was brave.
La 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 la. Hello. What a beautiful moment, you two. You're making great progress. We got more work to do, though. Are you ready? Let's get going! Aha! Letter Beast number 2. Congratulations. Isn't this exciting?
Yes, we're thrilled.
Good. Now, how do you find your purpose in life? Hmm? Through, wait for it, passion.
Yeah, I still don't see the connection here.
Because you've lost your passion, Cody. The passion that lights the path to your purpose in life. Passion, path, purpose, passion, you know, huh?
No.
Maybe he's talking about you wanting to be a gardener.
Good, May. Tell him.
Well, we partly moved here because you wanted to build your own garden. And then you just let it go. I never understood why.
Well, I mean, firstly, you never really encouraged me, like, at all. And secondly, you never really seemed to appreciate what I did.
Oh, so now it's my fault? You see, this is why we can't live together.
You see? That's why I gave up.
I do see. But look what it did to your relationship. Cody, it's time to awaken. Passion. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh!
Wow. Look, it's my garden. Look how everything has grown.
No, Cody. It's you who shrank.
Oh, yeah, but everything still looks beautiful. Oh. And all thanks to my painstaking groundwork, I might add.
Oh, really? Painstaking groundwork, huh? Look at this. Come on.
What is that? I didn't plant that. What is it?
Yeah. Use your head, and you will understand soon enough.
My head?
Yeah. Whoa, whoa, And May, this time you will encourage and support his passion. Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah, just watch where you point those things.
Yeah, you just watch your head.
That purple thing is blocking our way.
Looks quite ugly.
Yeah, whatever it is, we need to get rid of it.
Another one of these! Oh, that's better. It looks a little dry in this pot. Oh, that was fast. Hey, why don't you just jump right into the pot? Be one with your garden.
Whoa! I'm thinner!
Cody? Is that you?
Yeah! This is amazing!
Help me over! I can't magically transform into a flower. Thanks, Cody!
Man, what happened to my greenhouse?
Oh, it looks terrible.
Yeah, that is what happens when you abandon your passion. It gets infected.
Infected?
That purple stuff is everywhere.
And it will keep spreading unless you stop it. So, Cody, will you nurture your passion? Or will you slowly let it die? Ha! Ha!
No. May, let's take this purple stuff out.
Let's do it.
Vámonos!
I can't believe how much it spread!
That's how infections work.
I know, but how could it take over this fast?
It must be really powerful.
We have to save the garden before it dies. Oh yeah! Locked and loaded!
Ah! What on earth are those?
I don't care! You're not getting past me! Well, that'll teach him to stay away from my garden.
You nailed it, Cody.
Oh yeah! Cactus style!
Wow, you're so pretty, Cody.
I know, right? Oh, and I think I can help you across! Yo, I think this is as far as I can stretch! Oh, I can't anymore!
thirsty.
Oh, it really is everywhere. How could I let this happen?
It'll be fine. We just have to chop it all up, right?
Well, I hope it's that simple. Did you hear that?
Yes.
Did you see that?
Yes, what was it?
I don't know.
Oh, that looks pretty angry, May.
Yes, it does! Time to whack some weeds, Cody!
Hold it down, Cody!
I got it, May.
It's moving around so much! Oh, we've got more company!
good one. Hey, this looks super cozy. I wonder if I can get a massage. Boy, do I need one.
The spa? Here? Oh, I would kill for a foot rub.
Oh, boy, did I need a shower.
Breathe in. And out. I've always wondered if this hurts.
That tickles, that tickles. Oh, but I love it anyway.
Oh, just to let you know, I may give you a splinter or two. Really sorry.
No, a little higher, a little higher. No, 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 lower, lower. Wait, there, no. Yeah, I feel it everywhere. Ah.
I feel like I'm floating.
I'm not too sure about this one. Buzz off, thoughts. I need to find my inner peace.
Well, this was about time. Oh, I could stay in here for hours.
Oh, hey, May. Hey, May. I love it here.
Oh, gosh.
No, the whole greenhouse is infected.
It looks like it spread from over there.
Yes, it did. Do you recognize that plant?
No, I didn't plant that.
Are you sure? What about the first flower you planted in the greenhouse?
You mean Joy? What is that Joy?
I didn't know you named your plants.
Well, just that first one. You know, I just wanted to make sure that Joy would always be part of our lives.
Oh, Cody. That's sweet.
Yeah. Well, it doesn't matter now, does it? Everything's infected.
There's still time, Cody. Kill the infection and make your garden bloom again.
Okay, Book, you're right. Come on, May. We have to stop this.
Oh, come on then.
More purple crap coming up. We're gonna need some major weeding, May.
I think I've got the knack for it by now.
Yeah, you do. Thank you for helping me out.
It's actually quite rewarding.
I know, right? Maybe you have a green thumb after all.
Nah. I just find it satisfying to shred anything in my way.
Okay. Lucky me, we're on the same team.
Hey, Cody! Over here!
You ready to fall off?
Ha! I'm ready to fly!
Well, I'm ready to soar. I'm ready to rock it. And that was the jump of a champion.
One jump doesn't make you a champion.
Hope you bring your A game. Oh, is that the best swing you have, May? Crap!
Did you see my jump? World class!
I mean, it was decent, at best.
Woohoo! Bouncy!
Perfect!
Open wide!
Oh no! A poor spider!
Hey, Drake, back off! I have a badass sprout on my head. We're wearing it down, May! Keep it up!
You too!
And stay down!
There, you want some more? Ah, I can't break through!
It's not over yet!
Look out, Cody! Here come more!
Watch out, May! More creatures! You want some of this?
I'll cut you all down! Come on!
There's more of the...
Looks like a dead end.
It is. Hey, I know. Hey, Spider. Come on, come on. You can come out. The bad guys have gone.
Cody, what are you doing?
Just trust me. Come on.
Oh,
Hey there, little spider. Can we hitch a lift? We need to get over there. A ride to the other side? All right. Okay, thank you. Okay.
I didn't know you were a spider whisperer.
I just know my garden. It's for you, May.
Oh, thanks, Cody. What about you?
We'll find another one. Come on, let's go.
This spider's really soft and comfy.
Oh, good for you! Can you help me get to the other side?
Okay, I'll look around.
I need a lift here, May! Oh. out of there!
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's trapped.
Come on, Spider, you're free to go.
Ah, looks like they know each other.
Yeah. Oh, thanks. You were right, May. They really are all fuzzy.
I'm glad we found one for you.
You know, I never thought I'd ride a spider through our own garden.
Remember we dreamt about going on a jungle tour?
Yeah. I guess this is the closest we're gonna get.
Oh, it's even better. We've got spiders.
We do. Right on. Huh. Think you can get us out of here, Spidey?
Whoa.
Whoa! Oh, where are we going? Hey, Spidey! Doing all right down there?
I've never had a pet spider, but you're just so cuddly.
Oh,
Cody, hold on tight for this part. You've got some nice tricks, little spider.
very strong, Spider. Oh, I'm very proud of you. Rose was here to see this. Hey, there's my garden gnome.
I never like those.
They're classy.
They're creepy. Oh, what is that?
What?
Stay on your spider, Cody! Ian, watch out!
They're plants! Shark plants!
Crazy shark plants!
No. Ah, this purple gunk is in the way. Hey, can you wash it off?
for the ride again, Spider.
Oh no, it's a brown widow.
Do something!
What do you want me to do? Come on, quick, mate, get off!
Oh, I get it. She's their mom.
Oh, what a cute family.
Yeah, it depends how you define cute. In this species, the wife kills the husband.
Ah, that's probably why they're so happy then.
Good one.
Oh, thanks, miss!
Come on, Cody. Let's go.
What's that flying stuff?
Whatever they are, we need to take them out!
Okay, here comes the Sprout Man. Feel the burn of the Sprout Man.
Get out of my way!
I got more where that came from.
How do you like this weed whacking? Oh no! More crazy creatures!
Gotta get out of here. Oh, I know. The plants are way out.
Hold them off, Cody!
Got it. Watch out, crazy critters. The Cactus Man has arrived. How's it going with the flower, May? They keep coming.
It's the thirsty one, but I'm working on it! Keep them away from me, Cody! I don't want to be pricked in the back! Thanks for having my back, Cody.
All in a day's work for the Cactus Man.
Cody! Where are we going, Cody?
How should I know?
We're in your garden!
Yeah, but I only know it from above the ground. That was pretty fun. It smells moldy.
Yeah, humid down here.